Hello guys, trust you're doing fantastic. In today's video, we're going to be talking about binary subtraction. Alright, so let's go through the rules of binary subtraction. We have 0 minus 0 is going to be 0, 1 minus 1 is going to be 1, 0 minus 1 is going to be 1 with a borrow of 1. Now, in addition, we have carry of 1, but in subtraction, what we're going to have is borrow of 1. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. Now you're wondering, how does borrow work? I'm going to explain to you in this example how we're going to apply borrow. Alright, so the question says subtract 0011 base 2 from 1100 base 2. Now from this question, it tells us that 1100 is larger than 0011. Now this tells us that 0011 is nothing but 3 if you convert to decimal, and when you have 1100, it tells us nothing but what? It tells us that this is 12, this is 8 plus 4, so this is 12, meaning 12 is larger than 3. Alright, so in that case, what it means is that we should subtract this from this. So it means that it is 1100 minus 0011. So this is what this question means. So this is how to write it, to express it out. Alright, so it means the larger one minus the lower one. So this is what it means. We need to understand in the binary form which is larger and which is smaller. It's very important. Now, hence, let's go straight into the operation of division. Alright, so we have 1100 minus 0011. So the first thing we need to do, based on the rules, it says 0 minus 1 is going to be 1 with borrow 1. So it means 0 minus 1 will have 1 and then borrow 1. So when we come to the next bit, we have nothing to borrow, it's 0. We need to go to the next bit, which is 1. So therefore we have to borrow 1 to the next bit close to the first bit. So we're going to give that 1 that we have borrowed to the next bit. So this is the rule. So once you do that, we have 1 at this point. So say 1 minus 1, it's going to be 0. So at this point where we have borrowed 1 bit, it means this part is going to become 0. So we're going to have 0 minus 0, it's going to be 0. So for this last operation, we have 1 minus 0, which is going to be 1. So in this case, the final answer for this operation is 1001. Now let's check if what we have done is correct. Now remember this direct code, of course. Pay attention to this direct method. Now we know that 1100 in equivalent of, finding the equivalent in decimal is going to be 12, like I said, and 0011 is 3. Now let's carry out this operation. Let's say 12 minus 3, we're going to get 9. Now let's see if 9 in decimal is equivalent to what we got in binary as 100. Now all we need to do is, let's say 9 is equivalent to 1001, which if you use the direct method is going to tell us, since we have 4 bits, so we're going to use raised to power 3, and this is quite straightforward. It means we're going to have 8421. It means where you have 1, 8 is present, 004 and 2 is absent, and then when you have 1, it means 1 is present. So when you sum both together, you're going to have 8 plus 1 is going to give us 9. So it means that this operation that we have done is absolutely very correct. Now if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to do so. Like and share so that others might find this content very interesting and they might also find it very useful. I want to encourage you to pay attention to the subsequent videos in this channel. Alright then, enjoy this video. Bye.